Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to you all in my today's lecture. I am Dr. Muhammad Abdur Rahman Rana, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacology and Therapeutics at Din Akiz Medical College, Boira, Khulna. My today's topic is source of drug information. It means from where we can get information about the drug. We can get information about the drug from the pharmacopoeia, formulary, pharmaceutical companies, various types of medical textbooks, various types of medical journals, and various types of pharmaceutical companies. Now, pharmacopoeia, we can get information about the pharmacopoeia. There are various types of pharmacopoeia. Those are United States Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmaceutical Codex, Indian Pharmacopoeia, and Pharmacopoeia International by WHO. There are various types of formulary. Those are the British National Formulary, Bangladesh National Formulary. In Bangladesh, we have no pharmacopoeia, we have formulary. The formulary is Bangladesh National Formulary, but we follow the British Pharmacopoeia. Now we can get information from the various types of textbooks. The textbooks are the Pharmacological Basis of Therapeutics by Goodman and Gilman. We can get information from the Basic and Clinical Pharmacology by Bertram G. Jung. We can get information from the Clinical Pharmacology by N. Bennett Morris and J. Brown and Pankaj Sharma. We can get information from the various medical journals. There are New England Journal of Medicine, British Medical Journal, Biochemical Pharmacology, Molecular Pharmacology, European Journal of Pharmacology, Japanese Journal of Pharmacology, etc. From where we can get information about the drugs. Now, pharmaceutical companies. There are various types of pharmaceutical companies in the whole world. In case of Bangladesh, there are various types of pharmaceutical companies from where we can get information about the drugs, but sometimes their information sometimes is biased. Now we can get information from the another source, that is computer based information. Various types of websites that where we can get information about the drug information. The most important site is FDA maintained drug website. This is www.fda.gvt. Then unbiased information about drug also we can obtain from the Martindale's Extra Pharmacopoeia, American Drug Index, WHO drug information, FDA maintained internet website, Micromedex, the medical letter, and AMA drug evaluation. Now, what is pharmacopoeia or drug compendia? Pharmacopoeia is an official book. It is published by the authorized body which deals with details about the drug such as name, source, chemical nature, test for identification, physiochemical properties, pharmacokinetics, dosage formulation, indication, contraindication, and drug specification. The authorized body. Who are the authorized body of the drug compendia? The authorized body of the drug compendia are pharmacologist, physician, chemist, biologist, and other scientific and allied personnel. Most of the cases, drug compendia is supported by the government. The example of the pharmacopoeia is Pharmacopoeia International by WHO, United States Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, Indian Pharmacopoeia. There are no pharmacopoeia in Bangladesh. Now, formulary. What is formulary? Formulary is a book that contains a list of drugs with description, test, formula for the same published by the Drug Administration Authority. It's called formulary. In case of Bangladesh, we have formulary. This is Bangladesh National Formulary, BDNF. Now, what are the difference between pharmacopoeia and formulary? In case of pharmacopoeia, it is published by authorized body, and in case of formulary, it is published by Drug Administration Authority. In case of pharmacopoeia, it contains description of all drugs individually, including chemical structure. This is structural chemistry of the drug. In case of formulary, it contains mainly the nationally licensed drug prescribed by the healthcare practitioners or professionals, and list only the preferred drug. In pharmacopoeia, trade name is not included, and in case of formulary, trade name is included. That's why pharmacopoeia can follow by the doctors over the world, as there is a generic name, and in case of formulary, cannot be followed by all doctors in the world because it is written the trade name. And in case of frequency, pharmacopoeia is less frequently published, at least 5 years or more. And in case of formulary, it is frequently published. This is yearly or 2 yearly. The example of the pharmacopoeia is Pharmacopoeia Internationally or British Pharmacopoeia or Indian Pharmacopoeia and etc. In case of formulary, this is Bangladesh National Formulary BDNF and British National Formulary, this is BNF. Thank you all for watching my today's lecture. Assalamu alaikum.